Hi guys, it's been quite a while since I've put a video online, so what I thought I would do is bring this 10-pin tubular lock in from work. Fits into a Hitchlock. They're meant to be insurance approved, unpickable. If you bought that in the shop, obviously it comes attached to the clamp. You'd be looking at about £100, £120 depending where you purchased it. So let's have a little look then, because let's keep that back a bit clear so it'll come off. See what happens. I've done a video with the 7-pin, but this will be the first with a 10-pin. Hopefully it won't take too long. That's meant to be unpickable. And guess what? There we go. That's it locked. Unbelievable. And you can see if I can bring all these picks forward, that hopefully you can get it. That is a 10-pin pick. That's it. Thank you.